In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Telegram stars for free and buy stars on Telegram. Telegram stars are the in-app currency used to support creators. Unlock premium media and pay for mini app features. I will walk you through trusted ways to earn stars without spending money. Then show you the easiest and safest methods to purchase them when you need a quick top-up. First, let's cover how to get stars for free. One reliable path is participating in giveaways. Many large groups and channels periodically run star giveaways as a community reward or promotion. When you win, the stars are deposited directly into your account. So here is nothing extra you need to claim later. Always follow the posted rules, watch for verified or well-established hosts, and avoid anyone asking for private information in exchange for entry. Next, consider creator earnings. If you run a channel or a bot that offers paid media or exclusive subscriptions, your audience can support you by paying in stars. Focus on content your subscribers truly value. Keep pricing and benefits clear and post consistently so earnings grow organically over time. Those stars can be redeemed later or reinvested into expanding your content and tools. Another free option is affiliate and referral programs. Many Telegram mini apps, including click-to-earn style games, reward you when people you invite become active users. You will earn a cut of the stars they spend on the platform. Share your referral link responsibly, encourage genuine participation, and read each program's rules to understand how and when rewards are credited. Now, if you want stars quickly, buying them is secure and straightforward. The fastest method for most mobile users is a direct in-app purchase. Open Telegram. Go to Settings, tap on My Stars, then select Top Up Balance. Choose the amount you want and complete the payment using Apple Pay, Google Play, or a linked credit card. This method is convenient and integrated, though App Store fees may apply depending on your region. For larger packages or to reduce App Store transaction fees, use Telegram's official bot. Search for a premium bot inside Telegram. Open the menu, select the option to buy stars, and follow the prompts to check out securely. Confirm you are interacting with the verified, official bot before paying, and review the final amount and currency on the checkout screen. Whichever route you choose, keep your account safe, never share one-time codes or payment details in chats, and avoid third-party sellers. Track your balance anytime under Settings. My stars. Thanks for watching.